Hidap da kajing sungkumen ka bakraw do kata-kata baya ka ni ka khlem karam ngin sawan sa joai.
Dan wa iyan. Dan wa susuyan.
Pila benar tetian nga. Hindi ka jingit ka jong ILP. Kanam kala.
Arpsan Trik District Library Jawai. Kasyu kan long khatway kaba RBG kaba sanbat kaba news poa. Try kerku ivi ngin sa kendo komplisibun. Amen.
Kakasi Students Union KSU hak khat saltrik naitung kala keno baka Ministry of Home Affairs MHA kampat jubab ya artalik shthi baka sorkar Meghalaya kalapha house nam arjar khat kandai bat arjar arpo bandawa ya ka inaline permit ILP. U General Secretary ka KSU Ruben Najar ula ong bakat kum ka RTI haduk menta ompat dan kanu kanu ke jubab na ke sorkar India syaka sorkar jelah. Henry, hadian baka KSU kalai kendo ya Menteri Kampo yang kari u Amit Shah bat IT ya ke memorandum halor ke ILP ka jinga selok kelawan hapo shtayo. U Najar ula ong baka jinga pher ka peni baka sorkar India ka shimkhia kambon ya ke KSU namar ka jingkot jingmot ke baskem halor ke ILP. Ula kendo ru baka sorkar jela kam shimkhia halor ka jingwan rung kertam bat ka jing shngan jing nong shong shnong. Ula ong bawat hadin arsnam bala menjur ya ka jing penkela ya ka Migrant Workmen Act haduk menta kampat yo ya ka jing menjur jong ulat ka jela. Da ka baay nuksa ya ka Manipur unajar ula ong baka jela kala yo ILP namar ka jingu i jingai bat ka jingkot jingmat ka baskem jong kinong yalam san perteng.
I'll reiterate my statement again. Like I have stated, when it comes to other issues, the government of Meghalaya is very proactive. But when it comes to issue of security of our citizens regarding the influx issues, the state government is silent in these matters. Recently, 2 years ago, we have had a protest. And we have had a drive regarding the laborers that have come into our state. We have expelled thousands of laborers, and for that the state government has called for dialogue, and they have amended the Migrant Workmen Act, and that was 2 years ago. That Migrant Workmen Act again has come into the session. They have passed, but till date it has been 2 years after they have passed the amendment also. Till date they have not get the assent of the governor. So the same thing also I will say regarding ILP also. They are not proactive in this step. Why Manipur has got ILP in a demand in such a short stand? It's because of their political will and their political power that maybe they have their determination in this regard has been very, very strong, that the government of India had to give them. But maybe somewhere, somehow we are just lacking. Maybe when we talk about ILP, it's just like we want to go and have a photo session with the union ministers, but there's no kind of dialogue or discussion, because based on the RTI that we have got, that the Delhi has not responded to the 2 letters. It is a very shameful thing. The words coming out now from our ministers and our honorable leaders does not mean a thing anymore, because too many promises has been made, and if too many promises, unfulfilled promises are being made, then words start losing their value. So now also we feel that the government of Meghalaya does not want to implement MRCA, because if it want to implement MRCA, then it is not difficult for them to implement. Why are they waiting for the amendment? What is in the amendment? As I've told you, there's nothing in the amendment of that significance that it will strengthen the 2016 Act. If they want to strengthen the Act, then first let the 2016 Act come into place, and then look into 2019, because that is still need the assent of the president. So I don't know whether they are looking into that matter also. They are following up that matter regarding MRCA with the President of India, because even in regards to ILP also, we have filed an RTI asking how many times have the state government written to the Ministry of Home Affairs regarding ILP, and we have, based on the reply from the RTI, it has been only 2 times, that is in the year 2019 and 2020, and so far there has been no communication from the government of India to the state government regarding these two letters that they have filed. But it is very sad to see that the government of India is not responding to the state government, because in the last month we have met Honorable Union Minister, Home Minister MHA, and we have also submitted a memorandum regarding implementation of ILP in the state. To that, I think we have received a reply within a week. So I don't understand, like, why is the Ministry of MHA not responding the government of Meghalaya, but they're responding us. Maybe we can say the government of India respect the KSU and they don't respect the state government, because we are strong in our determination, we are strong in whatever things we have stated, and we do not fluctuate in our statements regarding whatever venture we do or whatever determination that we have in regard to this matter.